Guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get Spotify Premium for free. So first of all, you want to go to a browser. In my case, I'm gonna choose Google Chrome. So once you're here, just gonna wait for you to load up. Follow after me where you have to type. You have to type in Spotify Premium free. That's what you need to type in your browser. Now scroll down till you see where it says Spotify Premium, get 3 months free. Tap on that. Make sure it's the real Spotify website because you don't want to go on a fake one. So here it says just accept the cookies. Once you accept the cookie, as you can see where it says in the middle, get 3 months for free for £0 or $0 or wherever you are in the world. It's going to be in that currency. So tap on that black one, get 3 months for free. So once you're here, so here's the thing, if you already have a Spotify account, you could just log in and just wait for a second and bear with me. Now, if you don't have a Spotify account, you want to go all the way down and tap on sign up for Spotify. Now I'm gonna put in my credentials. So here I'm gonna put my email. There you go. I'm gonna put my new password. And what she would call you. So here you can have your profile name. I'm gonna put my Serpent 27. So what's your date of birth? You want to put in your date of birth. I'm going to put my date of birth here. Choose your month. It's going to be November. And your year, 1995. What's your gender? Choose whatever gender you are. Now you could choose to accept to get messages from Spotify to your email, or you don't have to choose these. I prefer to choose this because sometimes you get premium stuff for free. So tap on sign up in the green bottom. Once you tap on sign up, just wait a few seconds for you to sign up. So guys, this is really important. You need to listen carefully. Here's the thing, you get 3 months for free, but sometimes you get 6 months for free through your email. That's why I recommend signing up for your real email. So once you're on this page here, once you logged in or you create a new account, once you're on this page, you can either sign up through your credit card. Now you need to listen carefully. Once you sign up through your credit card, make sure before the date of start billing date where it says 6 December 2023, that's when it's going to charge. You just want to cancel a few days before, or you could do it my way, which is much easier, which is go through PayPal, because it's much easier to cancel it through the few days before. So yeah guys, here's how to get Spotify Premium for free. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.